What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Today is inauguration of new president of the United States, which is Donald Trump. So we are going to discuss and take a look at the impact that is having in the last couple of days. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high today, but it doesn't feel like it. We're going to take a look at the weekly chart and the monthly chart, which look extremely bullish, but it doesn't feel like it does it. And we're going to take a look at Trump coin, which just came out 3 days ago. Is it worth buying? Is it worth looking at? I'm going to tell you the reasons why I think it is not. Has nothing to do with Trump, has nothing to do with politics, just as a crypto play, right? Just as a crypto play, if it's good to put your money in that or not. And then we're going to take a look at a new altcoin called Beenz. And so without further ado, let's do this. A lot of volatility the last couple of days, guys. Okay, let's take a look at this really quick. Saturday, this is Sunday, all right? Sunday went as low as 99,000 and change, and it went as high as 106,000. And today, same thing. It this morning kind of hung out, or earlier today, early in the morning, 99,500, and then it went all the way up high, close to new all-time. At new all-time highs today. Okay, 109,347, which is a new all-time high. The previous one was on December 17th, which was at 108,000. Now it touched 109, so that's a new all-time high. And then it gave back as today is the inauguration of Donald Trump. So what could happen today? I think it wants to kind of break through here. Okay, that it tested this and it's trying to stay right around here, the top of this channel that I mentioned. You can see this line right here. Okay, boom. And as I mentioned this week, I think it's gonna do its best to try to break through here. Okay, I don't know that it does. Okay, but I think I could envision us staying somewhere between 107,000. And the support would be at around 101,779. Let's see how this candle closes. If we close where we are more or less now, I can see in the next couple of days it trying to break through. And if it does break through, then I see new all-time highs. Today was a new all-time high, new all-time highs this week as well. And maybe, just maybe, we go above this channel and start moving next leg up, right? Which would be breaking up through here. Next area, if we break above this channel, which we've only done for a couple of days, the 15th, 16th, 17th. And then we lost on the 18th of December, right? Only a few days above this. Let's see if this week we kind of break through, or into next week. This week we kind of try to get through, and then into next week we really kind of in earnest stay above it. Let's see what happens. We'll take it day by day, but let's see how things look like. But I mean, huge volatility. Also, I wanted to bring that to your attention. Let's see what things look like on the weekly. Bullish, honestly, really bullish, right? Oscillating sideways, try to go up. Had to come back down. Now it's on the upswing again, as you can see, right? On the upswing again, as you can see. Let's see if and this is the weekly chart. Every candle represents a week, so let's see if this week we could close right around here, or even higher, and then next week have a body above right here. Or if not, maybe a couple weeks right here, and then 3 weeks from now have a body up here. 4 weeks from now have a body up higher. Okay, I could definitely see something like that happening. All right, and then on the monthly, things look very bullish as well. Let's look at it right through here. All right, since January of 2023, we've basically been going up. All right, periods of sideways, months and months of sideways, right? Months and months of sideways, and then up. All right, so let's see. I can picture something like this. I can picture something like this right here. Maybe a red month here or there, but very few, if any. And then going up and up and up. All right. Maybe a little bit more sideways or subdued up moves, kind of like right here, and then next month kind of right here, next month right here, and then boom, 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 like this, something like this, boom, 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 boom. All right, so hey, get your buys in, guys. All right, get your buys in, and there's a lot of good buys. Let's take a look at Trump coin, okay? Because maybe you've heard of it. Okay, it just came out a few days ago, and it's already the 18th largest crypto by market cap. Okay, the 18th largest crypto by market cap. It's 3 days old. Now it's at 20. Early this morning it was like 18. Okay, so it's still in the top 20. 9 billion market cap, 38.8 billion in volume. Huge numbers, right? So you probably look at it and be like, "Oh, should I buy?" And my reply to you would be no. There are other projects that are way better. Now it has nothing to do with Trump. It has nothing to do with politics. None of that. I just look at it from a purely crypto perspective. Okay, that's all I care about. From a purely crypto perspective, it does not. I ran it through PeerBuybot. I ran it this morning. I ran it when it first came out, but the numbers have pretty much stayed the same. All right, the Jeep map. Jeep means sellers, right? Seller map. The top holders, are they Jeets or not? Do they have a high frequency of selling? There's only one Jeep, but what you can see the rest of it, and that's good. But you can see the rest of them are fresh wallets, and that's kind of, to me, that's iffy. 97.54% of the supply are in 18 fresh new wallets, guys. Okay, and the bubble map, as you can see, look at this huge bubble right here. Look at these connections right here. The top 10 clusters control 91.72%. 91.72% of the supply, guys. So this is a huge red flag to me. All right, now it doesn't mean you can't make money in this project. 2 days ago, if you got in, you'd be making money right now. But I mean, it's like trying to pick up pennies in front of a steamroller. Okay, that's what it is. Extremely risky. Honestly, there's way other plays that I bring to your attention every day that are much better options than this one, guys. Although it can still go higher. Okay, it can still go higher, but I think it would be I would be doing a disservice to you if I said, yeah, definitely buy this coin. No, don't buy this coin. Again, it has nothing to do with politics, nothing whatsoever. I don't care about that. But this is concerning. That's a huge red flag. It's an insider play. Okay, if we take a look at the whale map, it's just all whales. All right, 24 whales are holders. Okay, and then smaller numbers as you go. Shrimp only 14. I've never seen that, to be honest with you, and I look at this stuff all the time. I've never seen something like this. Just too many whales. It's an insider play. The money's already been made. Be real careful. I would not look at this. Okay, I would not look at this. There are so many coins right now because one of the things about this coin, Trump coin, that people are saying is that it's sucking all the liquidity out of the market. But that's great. That's opportunity because that means that there are some great deals to be had, especially the AI plays. I mentioned to you last week regarding the how money flows, right? How money flows to different sectors, and right now the money is on these AI plays come out. So there's a lot of red, but there's a lot of great buying opportunities, and the red won't be there forever. So I mean, get your buys in, guys. Here's one that I want to bring to your attention called Beenz. 4 days old, and this is the chart on the daily, looking like it wants to come up again. 9.5 million in market cap, 16.3 million in volume, and I think this one has legs. It's got a really good story, good narrative. Beenz predates Bitcoin. The first shitcoin Beenz was a virtual currency that was launched in 1998. It was created by Charles Cohen and was intended to encourage online spending and brand loyalty. Beenz could be earned by completing online activities such as signing up for websites, and could be used as currency for participating traders by participating traders. Cohen's goal was to eventually allow consumers to buy Beenz directly from the company and for the Beenz economy to resemble a real economy. However, Beenz was discontinued in 2001 after the company decided to wind down the Beenz economy and halt trading. So it was a failed project, but now it's a meme coin, and I think it can do really well. It's already at 10 million market cap again. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it kind of starts going sideways a little bit, so you guys can get in and position yourselves, and then hopefully it just takes off. But I mean, really cool, interesting narrative. I like it. Really good numbers. 10 million market cap. This morning it was like 8. Yesterday it was at 4. I wanted to buy, but for whatever reason it's on Solana, so the Phantom wallet for whatever reason was I was getting slipped, and I was just not able to do it, unfortunately. So, and it was late, and I'm sick, so I just went to bed. Too bad. I would have been up. Okay, but anyways, there'll be probably more opportunities. I don't think this one's going to 100 right now. I think maybe it'll go sideways for a little bit and then eventually start moving up. Okay. All right, so that's Beenz. There's a lot of good buys out there, guys. There's a lot of good buys out there. So I'm talking about Agency. I'm talking about Quant. I'm talking about IQ. These tokens that I brought to your attention, bro, I think is also at a great buy price. Okay, all right. Just added this line and extended this one. Okay, as you can see, a triangle could go lower, but I mean, I'd be buying because bro is gonna do extremely well. Once it gets out of this, I think it's going much higher. All right, cool. So a lot of volatility. Back to Bitcoin. Let's see what happens, but eventually I think we are going to go higher, guys. Okay, I don't think we're going to stay here forever, and I think we're going to go much higher, probably this month, and definitely into the coming months and the rest of this year. Okay, so do with that information what you will, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow the channel. All that stuff really does help. Hope you guys had a good weekend. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.